Headsnack, official artist of Eventide Audio, and I'm going to show you some plugin tricks from my latest album, Secret Handshake. This video will showcase 3 effects that are part of the ever-growing H9 plugin series. The H9 is Eventide's coveted stomp box, which produces high-quality effects, some of which came from their high-end studio rack-mount processors. This song is called My Favorite Song, and there's an effect on the female vocal called UltraTap. UltraTap is a very versatile multi-tap rhythmic effect, and on this song you'll hear it chop up my female vocal, increase the stereo imaging, and alternate delays between the left and right channels. One thing you'll notice is that the tap delays speed up. This is due to the cool spread feature. A negative value groups the taps towards the beginning, whereas this has a positive value and thus groups the taps towards the end for a speeding up delay sound. Here it is dry. And with the effect. And all together. This next track, Eye of the Universe, has a synth line that sounds like an electric guitar. To get this effect, I use MangledVerb, a unique effect that combines reverb with distortion. I use very little of the reverb part of the plugin, but crank up the overdrive to get my tone. Here it is dry. And with the effect. And all together. For this song, Hiphopocratic Oath, I use the biggest reverb in the universe, Blackhole. But I only use it for a few moments within the track to emphasize certain snare hits. I accomplish this by automating the effect. Here it is dry. And with the effect. And all together.
This is how I kick it for MCs and lyricists. I lay it brick by brick like the pyramids. My love for hip-hop culture is dead serious. I've been for 30 years, that's why nobody hearing it.
You can hear these effects and more by streaming or downloading my album, Secret Handshake. And Eventide lets you try all of these plugins for free by downloading their fully functional 30-day demos from eventideaudio.com.